JAMB 2022 question 7. Now this is a question on indices where we're given 8 root n divided by m raised to the power 3 over 2 all squared being multiplied by 4 raised to the power minus 1 m raised to the power 2 divided by 2 n raised to the power minus 2. Now before we proceed, let's recall the laws of indices. If you have indices of the same base, let's say x raised to the power of y, or let's say a raised to the power of x multiplied by a raised to the power of y is equals to a raised to the power x plus y. Similarly, a raised to the power of x divided by a raised to the power of y. The result will be a raised to the power of what? X minus y. If you have a raised to the power of x all raised to the power of y, the result will be a raised to the power of what? xy. These are the laws of indices. And it also applies that if we have, let's say, a raised to the power of x divided by b raised to the power of y or raised to the power of n, we'll have these results into a raised to the power of xn divided by b raised to the power of yn. So let's begin. Let's move this to the side. Let's proceed on to the question now. We have 3 root n and m raised to the power 3 over 2 all raised to the power of x of 2. So let's apply this principle. So we are going to use the square to affect both the numerator and the denominator. So we are saying this will result into 8 root n all squared divided by m raised to the power 3 over 2 all squared. And we are still going to have the next term to be the same. 4 raised to the power minus 1 m raised to the power 2 divided by 2 n raised to the power minus 2. So let's simplify now. 8 squared. Let's just write it as 8 squared. And root n squared will give us n. M raised to the power of 3 over 2 multiplied by 2, applying this principle. So we can see that m raised to the power 3 over 2, or raised to the power of 2 is m raised to the power 3 over 2 times 2, which is m raised to the power 3, being multiplied by 4 raised to the power minus 1 m squared divided by 2 n raised to the power minus 2. So in that case now, we want to simplify everything in terms of 2. So 8 is equals to 2 raised to the power 3, 4 is equals to 2 raised to the power 2. Let's make that substitution. 8, 2 raised to the power 3 all squared, n m raised to the power of 3. And wherever we see 4, we put 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power minus 1 m squared divided by 2 n raised to the power minus what? 2. So applying this principle again, the power law, 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power 2 will be equals to 2 raised to the power 3 times 2, which is 2 raised to the power of 6. So we have 2 raised to the power of 6n divided by m raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of minus 1 will give us 2 raised to the power of minus 2. Or let's say 2 multiplied by minus 1. So multiplied by minus 1, which is 2 raised to the power of minus 2. So it's raised to the power of minus 2 m squared divided by 2 raised to the power of n minus 2. Now let's collect like terms. Every value of 2 should move under the single division sign. Every variable of m should move to a single division sign, and likewise of n. So 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of minus 2 divided by 2 raised to the power of 1. We have dealt with this, and this. Now let's deal with m. M as m raised to the power of 2, and likewise m raised to the power of 3. And n as n, which is n raised to the power of 1. Okay, you can call this raised to the power of 1 raised to the power of 1. And n also has n raised to the power of minus 2. So what we want to do now is to apply the law of indices. That says a raised to the power of x multiplied by a raised to the power of y is equals to a raised to the power of x plus y, and a raised to the power of x divided by a raised to the power of y is equals to a raised to the power of what? X minus y. So let's begin. 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of minus 2. Applying this. 2 raised to the power of 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of minus 2 will give us 2 raised to the power of 6 plus minus 2. Now will give us 2 raised to the power of 6 minus 2 minus 2 raised to the power of 4. Divided by 2 raised to the power of 1 multiplied by m raised to the power of 2, m raised to the power of 3, n minus 1 divided by n raised to the power of minus 2. Now let's go ahead and apply this division law across all terms. So let's begin with 2 raised to the power of 4. This will give us 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 1, because it's 2 raised to the power of 4 divided by 2 raised to the power of 1. And this will give us m raised to the power of 2 minus 3, because it is m raised to the power of 2 divided by m raised to the power of 3. And this being n is m raised to the power of 1 minus 2, because we're applying this division law. So 2 raised to the power of 4 minus 1 is 2 raised to the power of 3. M raised to the power of 2 minus 3 is m raised to the power of minus 1. N raised to the power of 1 minus 2 will give us n raised to the power of 3. So with this, we have an answer. This is 8. 2 raised to the power of 3 is 8. N raised to the power of 3, m raised to the power of minus 1, which equates to option B.